Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spottedmotors.
And welcome to, this is going to be is this our first part one we've ever done?
Possibly, yeah. We'll call it our first part one.
This is our first part one, but basically we're going to be introducing this that has just dropped into the UK. It's a fresh import into built Inghams, and we're going to do a quick walk around, show you what's under the bonnet, and then we're going to do a part two once Michael has done everything he's going to do to it. And the part two is going to be the fun video, isn't it?
Yeah, so basically before and after. There's not much we can do with it now because it doesn't run. It did run, we drove it in the workshop, but I've already started work on it. But it will run. It's going to get some nice touches while it's here. Over the next couple of weeks we're going to be doing quite a bit of work on it, just a tidy one. It's a real nice bit of kit, so part two of this video will be worth hanging around for.
Yeah, so we're going to get in early, get subscribed, get involved, because we've got a lot to give, and this is going to be a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
And the reason why it's going to be a lot of fun is because when Michael opens the bonnet of this thing, you'll know why.
Yeah, so
Michael, what is it first?
It's a 1985 Chevy C10 Short Bed.
Beautiful. And it's matte black.
Matte black, and it's tatty.
And it's hard as nails.
It's hard as nails. It's been dropped. It's not, I'll let you have a little walk around.
We'll have a little walk around it. It's a cold January morning. We've got the fan heater on, so excuse any background noise. But yeah, this is the fresh import. Cam's gone blurry.
It's a little bit tatty, but it's all there. It's a solid truck. It's been dropped, and I mean dropped.
Yeah.
Like probably 6-inch drop on the back. It's got a 3-inch drop spindle on the front.
And you'll notice that by how low the suspension sits to the ground.
In the back, I've already started work as usual. The dashboards come on these from the track. It's just a standard procedure with these things. That's what I'm doing.
What's the crack here?
So he's getting a new dash.
Yeah.
I'll let you put the camera in there.
What dash is going in it, Michael?
So these are a Dakota Digital dash, because it's not running its stock engine anymore. It's got a bit of a twist under the bonnet as well. But yeah, it's getting a full set of Dakota Digital clocks, which are a real nice thing. I've put a set of these in somewhere before, and they really are nice. Bring it up to date.
Seats are lovely, aren't they? Seats
lovely. Like I say, it's been a bit of a project, a bit of an unfinished project, I think.
Yeah.
All the hard work's been done, so we've got the enjoyable part of this project.
Yeah.
Of putting the finishing touches to it, getting everything working. And we are going to freshen this paint up a little. We're just going to do it satin again, but it's going to get rid of all these chips and the windscreen's broke, the windscreen to go in it.
So nothing scary. It's all fun jobs, isn't it?
Obviously, get the lights converted for the UK because we're going to put it through its test.
Yeah.
There's no handbrake on it at the minute because whoever's put the back axle in it hasn't finished that off. So there's no handbrake cables. We'll have to fabricate all that, do all that.
But
under the bonnet,
we don't care about any of that, do we? This is fast becoming a Spottedmotors favourite engine.
So yeah, it is the 5.3 LS in there, and it's running a Holly Terminator X management system. So again, you know, it hasn't just been chucked in there. Whoever started this has been in business with it.
And have you got a couple of figures for this engine as well?
We were told that it's about $395 at the rear wheels.
Which is easy to believe, I suppose. I mean, it's got a nice set of exhaust on it, hasn't it, as well?
I did have a little drive it when it come in.
Yeah.
Just a little drive, and it feels pretty good, responsive.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is going to be like a nice, enjoyable job. Can't wait to get torn into it.
Just see how low it is there. Look how.
It's just. See how if you pick them bottom arms up to the floor. It needs definitely a bigger tyre on the front.
Yeah.
Wants a set of wheels, really, if I'm honest.
So yeah, this is going to be the smoke machine.
The smoke machine. I hope it's got an LSD in it.
Well, there you go.
So yeah, like I say, we won't bore you too much. You can see it's a bit tatty, but next time you see it, you'll see it smoking the rear tyres, hopefully.
Yeah, we're not going to do too much on the build of it. We're just going to sort of do a before and after.
It's going to be in for a few weeks, and well, this is my full-time job with Dale. Has to go and do a bit of plumbing, I suppose.
Oh, cheers, Michael. But yeah, in the meantime though, Michael's going to get straight on with it. That's why the camera's straight down here first thing this morning before Michael tears it to bits. And next time we see this thing, we promise you, the opening 10 seconds is going to be a burnout.
Yeah.
How's that sound? So yeah, very exciting, quite a tame part one, but as we said, part two is going to be absolutely a ton of fun. We're going to get out cruising in it, and yeah.
And if you are in the market for a bit of a straight strip machine, don't be afraid to get in touch, because this will be on the market when it's finished.
Yeah.
And it will be a cool thing.
Yeah, like I said, garage owner Neil, built Inghams, and again, massive thank you to him for always letting us film here and mess about with his cars and all that type of stuff. So yeah, thank you very much for that. And yeah, as we said earlier, get subscribed, get involved, have a look through the back catalogue of all the films that we've done in the past. We've got a load of stuff planned for the future. Both drag cars are, you know, going to have a big year this year, so yeah.
Yeah, stick around and definitely stay tuned for part two.
Part two.
So, as always, Dale,
thank you very much for watching.
We've been
Spotted Motors.